About deliver proposal to Mr. Engtushin, member of State Great Khural and chairman of Mongolian People's Party group of the State Great Khural. Our Mongolian Green Canal has been organizing the Hatan TUUL and time trip with participation of ULAANBAATAR citizens, private sectors, governmental and non-governmental organizations for 30 years. Last 3 years, we organized many works for our Hatan TUUL and time trip, such to awareness, educate, and improve understanding about water value to protect and love drinking water to ULAANBAATAR citizens for improving water resource flow of TUUL River and protecting from pollution as directly and indirectly of TUUL Riverhead and its river basin, which drinking water source of ULAANBAATAR citizens. Yearly Hatan TUUL and time trip is reaching per its effect with its special features. Effects of the serial trips, we give attention to be trip participator for joining and actively participating to the trip by citizens for understanding them that necessary keep clean the drinking water for protecting TUUL River. There have directions to protect and love the TUUL River in the some nations' laws and water programs. At this time, core objective of the Hatan TUUL and time trip is to become active participators of ULAANBAATAR citizens, and we're making awareness works for setting up consciousness that need to follow and actively support the law, which arisen out result the active participation. We collected signatures of ULAANBAATAR citizens for the 3 years trip called 2010, 2011, and 2012 Hatan TUUL and time. What is the meaning of signature? There has biggest 3 power plants of ULAANBAATAR directly and entirely belong from TUUL Riverhead, where the city has 1.4 million population. Moreover, about 330 heads of livestock, 400-hectare irrigation agriculture, and about 20,000 industries and corporates entirely along with TUUL Riverhead. TUUL River flows by 37 sums of 5 provinces. Considering the special features, please create obvious clause to protect drinking water for making statute of the State Great Khural. The citizens show and warrant by their signature and their active participation that we're ready to follow and pursue it. Basically, today we're handing all citizens who signed and joined Hatan TUUL and time trip documents over to you for delivering request that please substantiate it through action for receiving the signatures and searching proposals of citizens.
We're supporting. Generally, we shall support. Every person in Mongolia need to support. We know that has been working for last 3 years on this direction by the Green Canal non-governmental organization. Recently, the organization introduced that they made obvious results in those years. So they have citizens' proposal how to project TUUL River. We will study all proposals closely. Then we will make research as why not to be law generally and or this to be statute of State Great Khural for based on result of the studied proposal closely. We have one weakness that talking about the situation for many times related to project, the environment, and making too many papers or throw it to be a measure at once. So I thought that first need to take this as policy, and second to obvious work, particularly you made the TUUL River as special subject. Considering this party group will support and actively work on that. The work meeting will be holding in good time, so I would like to express my gratitude for you for organizing and initiating this work. We will do all work related from this.
Okay, thank you. We received needed proposals on what kind of proposal would you like to take part in, the clause, if issue, the statute by State Great Khural related to drinking water from relevant water professional agencies. We're handing related proposals may take part in the statute of Great Khural over to you, which took from related water organizations such as the Environmental Protection Agency of ULAANBAATAR City, Water Authority, and proposal of the Ministry of Nature, Environment, and Tourism.
You might not have time to research received yesterday and the day before yesterday. Is there outlined the previous proposals of citizens after research?
Yes, outlined and formulated.
Is there having the meeting that has some main issues?
Yes, have.
If create statute shall take part in the clauses such?
Generally, most citizens actively voted to the proposal shall have to take needed actions for urgently and not considering any party on the drinking water issue. Second, need to protect the riverheads for protecting any river water. We took referendum, and this showed that citizens worry on the talking, which continues for many years, and not make any decision, and steps for hardly on that cleaning construction of hides and skins industries, which most percent of TUUL River pollution, and flooding water dam to collect flooding water and reservoir to do water adjust by some engineering construction in the TUUL Riverhead. We thought that you will hardly take determined measure. Today, we're handing this responsible and signatures with citizens' faith over to you, member of State Great Khural and chairman of Mongolian People's Party Group. Therefore, we made official opening of Hatan TUUL and Time Trip 2012 for connecting with the World Water Day this past Saturday. This cylinder of water in front of me is sample of our ULAANBAATAR citizens' drinking water and sample of TUUL Riverhead. I'm handing the water sample handed to Green Canal on the Commander-in-Chief Sukhbatar Square for transferring 3,000 people's hand for behalf of many ULAANBAATAR citizens over to you for believing that you will substantiate it through action further. Okay, water of TUUL River in the cylinder, so we believe that you substantiate it through action for not losing our trust to be unreliable.
Okay, thank you.